Welcome. In today's video, we're going to go over the missing listings widget on AdLister. First things first, make sure you're logged into your AdLister store, and once logged in, on the dashboard section is where you'd see all enabled widgets. In order to have the missing listings widget enabled, click on the Add Widgets button and select the missing listing widget from the pop-up menu and add it. Once you have added the missing listing widget, the dashboard section will refresh, displaying the newly added widget. The widget will show you how many products have been created or updated outside of AdLister, and it will give you two options of importing them into AdLister. Import using the existing products. This will update your existing products by replacing them with products from eBay. Import fresh new products. This will simply import products that are currently live on eBay but aren't in AdLister. This widget updates automatically at night when the automated sync runs. As such, if you've just created a product on eBay and the widget does not display one item on eBay as being listed outside of AdLister, you can run the sync manually by going to Listings and Sync Active Listing. This will compare the listings that you have in AdLister with the ones on eBay, and it will display the differences in the missing listings widget. That about covers the missing listings widget. I hope this video was helpful in displaying how the missing listings widget works on AdLister. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.